Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device. Make sure the battery is at least 50% or plug in so the update won't stop midway. Once charging is secure, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid data charges and slow downloads. Next, back up essential data, photos, contacts, app settings, because updates can sometimes reset things. After those steps, open Settings and go to System Updates to start checking for available software. This is your first actionable move. Once done checking, you tap Check for Updates and review the release notes, size, required free storage, and known issues. That helps you decide whether to proceed now. Make sure you have enough space, clear cache, or uninstall large apps if needed. Then download the OTA package. Keep the phone on Wi-Fi and avoid interrupting power. The installer will often require a restart. Follow prompts and let the device apply the update, which may take several minutes depending on the package size. After installation, the phone reboots and may optimize apps. Wait patiently and then verify the new Android version in About Phone so you confirm success. If some apps act oddly, clear their cache or reinstall them and update everything via Play Store to resolve compatibility issues. If the device won't boot or is unstable, try Safe Mode to remove third-party interference. If that fails, perform a factory reset from recovery, but only after backing up. That single troubleshooting tip can save time and data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.